Okay, so here is the next question that we have on the menu today, and it is asking us, what is the square root of 45? Okay, so I'll list out like the procedures, and because of course we could just ask our calculator, hey, what's the square root of 45? And the calculator will tell us pretty directly and pretty accurately as well. But a lot of the times it's going to be a lot more intuitive to simplify this if we can, right? So want to simplify instead of direct calculation. Some calculators are pretty good and they can automatically simplify this for you, but I'm going to teach you how we can do this just off the power of our noggins. So the first step that we want to do is factor all under root stuff to prime numbers. And then we want to, anytime we want to bring all duplicates outside. Outside of root. Okay, so we know that 45, we have to factor this, right? 45, thinking back to my times table, I can divide it by 5, right? Yep, I definitely can. It ends in 5, has to be divisible by 5. And I know that 9 times 5 is 45. Call that a 9 to 5. Okay. And, but we want to factor it, even the factors that we immediately pulled out, we want to simplify those as well under the same procedure. So we want to factor those into prime numbers as well. 5 is a prime number, so we can leave that, but 9, I know 9 is 3 times 3. So that's going to be 3 times 3 times 5. And that is definitely 45. Do the quick math. 3 times 5 is 15 times 3, 45. Seems reasonable to me. Okay, so we know that we can replace everything with under the root. That 45, we can replace it with 3 times 3 times 5. So root 45 equal to under the root 3 times 3 times 5. And we want to bring all duplicates outside of the root. Okay, so the duplicates in this case are the two 3's. We have a 3, and that 3 has a twin. So these the 3's are going to be brought outside. Oops. But we're only going to bring one of them outside. The reason why is because as it traverses that root, because like the twin 3's together, they're 9, right? So it's like 9 as it leaves the root, it has to get square rooted itself, so it becomes a 3. So the duplicates that we have are the twins fused together into a single child outside of the root. Okay, and that would be our final answer right here. 3 times the square root of 5, and this is going to be a better answer than just like getting the decimal value out of your calculator for this, because sometimes you so this is definitely going to be an irrational number, meaning there's going to be a whole lot of decimal numbers that are going to be quite painful to write out completely. So having a simplified version like this is going to be much easier. And let's to actually get the decimal value. So this is approximately equal to, I'm going to send it through my calculator ASAP fast. So the actual result of this is 6.708204, on and on and on and on. That's a very long number, but sometimes you will need to eventually simplify it down to a decimal version, but you want to keep it in like precise terms like this, 3 times root 5. You want to keep it like that as long as possible to ensure maximum precision. Okay, so yeah, this is good, very good, beautiful. So the above solution is good. Good job, nice.